Curious about what 2024 has in store for Aussie real estate? Hi, it's Rasti, your go-to architect of property wealth, here with the latest scoop on the property markets in Australia. Let's dive into the current trends and blueprint your success for this year and beyond. First up, wish you a very happy new year. Trust you all had a fantastic break and are recharged for an exciting year ahead. It's always good to reflect on the strides we made last year and set our sights on new goals. Investors are back. They are making a grand return to the property market. The Australian Bureau of Statistics is showing us some eye-opening numbers. A solid 18% increase in new investor loans over the year, finishing in November. We are seeing a particular buzz in New South Wales, Victoria and Queensland. And for my first home buyers out there, you're not left behind. Loans have grown by 3.5% in November, with Victoria leading the charge. It's a sign that confidence is building up and the market is heating up. On the other hand, the apartment market will also continue to fire this 2024. Based on the latest Bureau of Statistics data, there's been a significant jump in apartment approvals. We are looking at 6.7% rise in November. The shift signals a bustling year ahead for the apartment market. It's not just about more buildings, it's about alleviating rental market pressure and meeting the growing demand. ACT, Northern Territory and Western Australia are leading this charge. It's a big thumbs up for the future of high density living. Moving on, 2024 is shaping up to be the year of renovations. Thanks to stabilizing building costs, it's becoming more appealing for homeowners to spruce up their spaces rather than move. With house prices steadily rising, investing in your current home seems like a smart play. This trend is a direct response to how we have evolved in our living spaces post-pandemic. Expect to see more of this as we roll through this year. What about the rental markets? For the landlords tuning in, here's some news you would like. Rental growth is still on the up. Nationally, we are seeing a 1.8% increase in dwelling rentals over the December quarter, with the median rent now at a sturdy $580 per week, and in the capital cities, even higher. But here's the thing. While the growth is starting to moderate, the low vacancy rates suggest rents will keep rising for at least next 6 months. It's a dynamic market, and staying ahead means keeping your finger on the pulse. Lastly, let's peek into the crystal ball for 2024. The word on the street is that Australia's property market will be stronger this year than the last. Expect property prices to rise, but at a slower pace, due to increased interest rates reducing borrowing capacities, as highlighted by Cameron Kusher of PropTrack. Despite these challenges, strong demand and limited housing construction suggest continued price growth. It seems that the rental market will remain tight, with low vacancy rates driving rents up. This year is very likely to be about balancing rising costs with robust housing demand, which in turn is pointing to an evolving and dynamic Australian property landscape in 2024. That is it for this update. Joining you on this property journey, I'm Rasti, your architect of property wealth, ready to guide and enlighten. If you enjoyed this video on Aussie property market update, smash that like button. Hit subscribe to stay up to date with latest property market news and ring the bell for notifications to be the first one updated. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next one. Cheers.